Yes, welcome back, my dear children. Yes, in before slide we saw about the summer season and winter season. Okay, now we are going to see about the rainy season. Okay, see here, what image is this? See this image and tell me what's going on. It's a rainy season. Yes, very good. It's very nice to see. Yes. Okay, what is this? Yes, these are all in rainy season we are going to use these. Yes, see here, umbrella, raincoat, boots, gloves, hat. These are all using in the rainy season. Yes, some of you are using now itself also. Yes, this is also the rainy season. No, sometimes we are in the rain. No, yeah, during that time we have to use these properties. Okay, my dear children. Yes, okay, for rainy season also I have some questions to you. Are you ready to answer for that question? Yes? Very good. Okay, see here. What happens to you during monsoons? Before I told you, know what is meant by monsoon season? Yes, rainy season we are called as the monsoon season. Okay, are you all clear in that? Are you all clear? Rainy season we called as a monsoon season. Okay, so I gave the word monsoon season. I hope you are all familiar with the word rainy season. Okay, so that nowadays you are all growing children. No, you are promoted from grade 1 to grade 2. No, so you have to improve your vocabulary also, so that I am concentrating your vocabulary too. So that I told you, I gave you the word rainy season into monsoon season. Okay, what happens to you during monsoon season? What happens? We feel very chillness. Yes, very good, absolutely. What happens to you, what happens to your clothes during monsoon season? During monsoon season, what happens to your clothes? How you feel? Go and touch your clothes. If your mom put your clothes to dry, no, go and touch the clothes. How you feel? It's chillness. Okay, now go to your cupboard and open your cupboard. Touch the dress. How you feel? Same like that. That is also very chill, ma'am. Like that you are saying, no? Yeah, very good. During monsoon season, when it is washed or not, that is not a matter. If you touch the clothes will always very chill. Okay? Yeah, that is happening to our clothes during monsoon season. Okay? Yes, very good. The next question is, what do you wear to keep yourself dry? During rainy season, what do you wear to keep yourself dry? Not in the rainy time. Listen my question. What do you wear to keep yourself dry? Of course, absolutely sweater. Yes, very good, my dear children. Next, we are going to see the what season? What is our fourth season? Spring season. Yes, very good. Next, we are going to see a spring season. What is meant by spring season? In the springtime only the flowers, the plants are welcoming the spring season, because in that spring season only they are enjoying a lot. Okay, yeah, always the wind blowing, the flowers are moving here and there, the plants also moving like this, moving like me. Yeah, like this only. If the wind comes means the plants moving like this only, no? Yeah, okay. So that only the plants, flowers, trees and all like spring season. Okay, my dear children? Okay. See here, today we saw 4 seasons. Okay, related to the seasons only, depending upon the seasons only, we are ready to wear the dresses. Okay. So now I am going to show you a super wonderful video. Are you all ready to watch that video? Yes? Shall I show? Yes, are you all with me, my dear children? Now I am going to show you a video. Are you all ready to watch that? Yes, okay. See here. Yes, I welcome you all to the videos, my dear session. See here, this is the video I am going to show to you. Listen the video. I told you, no. seasonal clothes. Depending upon the season only we are wearing the clothes. Like that I told you, no? Yeah, see the video, my dear children.
Patrick and his sister flew out of the shelves. They do not know how to handle the nest.
Okay, today now we are going to see a story about Patrol and his sister. Okay, see here once again I will tell you. Listen carefully. Seasonal clothes. Okay, related to season only. Due to the season only we are wearing.
His sister Susan's wardrobe is a complete mess.
Patrol and his sister's cupboard is something is messy. See here, this is the clean? No.
Their clothes are spilling out of the shelves.
Their clothes are spilling out of the shelves. Yes, see here the clothes are spilling. See here, here and there. This is not in the arranged manner. Okay.
They do not know how to handle the nest.
They know to clean the shelves. Yes. They both of them know to clean the shelves. No, because they are a small kid. Okay. So they didn't know to clean the shelves. Okay. Or you know to clean your shelves. Or you know to arrange your cupboard. No. Okay. If you don't know with whom you are ready to do that. Yes. With the help of your mother. Yes.
Their mother agrees to help them to sort out the clothes.
Their mother going to do help for them. Okay, with the help of his mother only they are going to do that.
She said that we wear clothes according to the season.
Same like me. His mother also saying to them, seasonal wise only we are wearing our dresses. Okay, so you have to arrange your cupboard also like that.
So they should be arranged in the cupboard according to the season.
According to the season only we have to arrange our cupboard. Okay.
Patrick and Susan think that it is a great idea, but they are not able to identify their clothes according to the season.
They have some ideas, okay, after hearing his mother's advice, they have some ideas, but they didn't know how to arrange the clothes depending upon the season, okay.
Their mother gives them some pictures of clothes and tells them to cut them and make a coat.
Their mother showed some pictures, okay, some photographs to them, and she going to explain, okay. Listen carefully.
Large of them according to the season. She tells them that we wear clothes according to the heat and cold. Summer. Since summer is a hot season, we wear clothes made of cotton, like shorts.
Yes, summer is a very hot season, okay. That time what and all we have to wear, that his mother going to explain to them.
Shirts, skirts,
frock, shorts, t-shirts, skirt,
t-shirts, etc. Cotton fabric helps to keep us cool and fresh in the
cotton dress always keeps us very cool, okay. Cotton frog is not, cotton dress is always keep us always cool, okay. So only during summer season we all prefer to wear cotton dress.
The summers. Winter. Winters are cold months. We wear woolen clothes to keep us.
Winter is the very coolest one. Yes, coolest place, okay. Coolest time, so that we are ready to wear like a woolen dress.
Warm.
Because that woolen dress only keep us warm.
Overs, woolen caps, mufflers, woolen gloves, cardigans, coats, woolen trousers, blazers, overcoats, jackets, etc.
These are all, see how much dresses are ready to wear on winter season. Yes? Yes, okay. These are all we have to use in the winter season.
Rainy season. In
The third season is rainy season.
The rainy season we wear raincoats.
In the rainy season, we have to wear the rainy coats.
When Patrick and Susan finished making their collage,
His mother told to cut the dresses, okay, so that they are doing to cut
he
it.
found it very easy to arrange their clothes.
See here, the mother told to paste it in one side of the cupboard, and on seeing that you have to arrange your dress like that. His mother advised, okay.
Recap. We wear clothes according
Now we are going to have some small recap, okay my dear children. Listen carefully.
to the season. During the hot season, we wear clothes made of cotton like shorts, shirts, skirts, frock, t-shirts, etc.
During summer season, we have to wear like this type of cotton dresses, okay, so that only the dress will keep us cool.
During the cold season,
During winter season, what are all the dress we have to wear, that we are going to see now.
we wear woolen coats to keep us warm. Some of them are pullovers, woolen caps, mufflers, woolen gloves, cardigans.
Listen carefully how many dresses are there in the winter season, we have to wear it.
Jackets, etc.
These and all we have to wear during the winter season, okay.
Rainy season. In the rainy season, we wear raincoats.
In rainy season, we have to wear raincoats. Okay, my dear children, are you all clear in that? Yes, I hope, my dear children, now you are all clear in the seasonal type clothes, season, and also as well as in which season we have to wear which cloth. Like also, you are clear in that. Yes? Okay. Thank you so much for your patience. Okay, soon we will meet you in the next session. Okay, my dear children, be safe at home.